Okay, just got this in the mail, and could be that everything's fine, but I don't like how loose this is in here. You look at the tape. The tape is still intact, but I don't know if they had to open it to check and see what was in there or not, but it's still showing like that. And same thing on this side. It's frayed, but it's still intact. The bottom is intact all the way. I just don't like the way that it's sliding around in there. So let's see what we got. Now this is the actual packaging from ASUS. Very secure, not shaking around. Everything seems to be really firmly in there, and they also have it taped here. This tape seal has not been broken. It's an original tape seal right here. It's not been broken, so that's good. It's not shaking around. It's all nice and secure as well. So let's see what we got. Okay. Never done an unboxing video before, but I guess that's what you would call that. See the regular standard documentation here. Charging block. Everything appears to be brand new, as it should be. Okay. And here's the device. Seems to all be in the original packaging. No wear and tear. Here it is. Open it up. It's in pristine condition. There's nothing to show that it's been pre-used or looked at before. Nice big screen. Yeah. I mean, I was a little concerned initially with the way it was sliding around the box, but I'm totally happy now looking at it. And I'll charge this bad boy up and see what we have. So far, so good. I really like this chrome finish. Really like nice and clean looking, very sturdily built. I like the, I just really like the way this feels in my hand. It has a little weight to it, but not too much. And really looking forward to charging this up. And this brushed chrome finish is nice. Yeah.